Hey guys, today I thought you might want to walk to check on the donkeys with me. So, okay, let me show you. Little perspective, the house is there. The barn is behind the house. So to get to the donkeys, you gotta go all the way out here. Now I'm gonna take them some warm water, even though that's Bubba. Hopefully he'll be better this time. They have access to a heated water bucket, but I haven't seen them come that close to the house. So I'm gonna take them this warm water just in case. Warm water and hay. Those are the most important things right now. So there's Elly May. She's so pretty in the snow. Hi, Elly. And then Jethro's over here eating hay. So this round bale was already sitting out when it started snowing, and I decided to just set random stuff on top of it to try to save the round bale. That's Jethro. Hi guys, I got you some food and warm water. Come on. They may not follow me because they're gonna be scared that I'm gonna lock them up. Anyway, my plan was to set this stuff on top and then then the snow would get on the stuff I piled up there, and then when it stopped snowing I'd take it off and then boom, they'd be able to get to the hay. But turns out my dad was right that they would just knock the hay off. See, because all that had hay on it, or snow on it. They'd just knock the snow off and get to the good stuff. And then, okay, see where Stella is? We still haven't made it, by the way, to the donkey shed. See, there was hay right here too. Now I have to say, this is probably gonna work out pretty good because I turned the two wheelbarrows over on top of it, see? And so then tomorrow, after the second round stops, I'll lift those up and they'll be able to get to the hay. That's my plan anyway. We'll see. We're almost there. Dogs are beating me to it. I think we maybe should have gone for a four-wheeler ride. I brought them some food too. When they hear the food hit the pans, they'll probably come in here. But see, they don't want me to close this gate because they don't like being locked in here. They like having the choice of going in here when they want. But this is their spot, so it's also where the round bales get stored. But right now, I'm down to just two left, which is really all I need. So I had that fence stretched across them so they would stay off of them, but now I rolled it up so that they could get and eat off of this one. And it looks like they've been in here eating hay, so that's good. So, let's see if okay, this is gonna be tricky because I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. I gotta I put it in a bag instead of a bowl so I could carry the heated water bucket and the phone. Okay, I'm gonna have to just, okay. Food. Now sometimes this works. Let's see. bowl. So I don't hear the drain. Come on! I won't lock you up. Here they come. Maybe. Sometimes they trip me and they stop about halfway. Look! I got good stuff. Oh, I'm going to set it by the warm water so they'll see it. Come on! You going to talk to us? I got warm water too. Come on. Look, there's one. And the other one. Yes, score. Grain, did you see her? She got a drink of the warm water. Yes. Good for you. What's that? So that is a trick to keeping them warm. I feed them purposely under here so that I know that at least for a little bit they get under cover. And see, yesterday I set their food bowls right in front of the round bell. I uncovered so that they could see that they could get to it now. Hoping that they would eat in here instead of out there where it's cold. We'll see. Tonight they'll probably be, or tomorrow they'll probably be covered in snow because they'll stand out there instead. But they have shelter if they need it. Look at the steam coming off the warm water. Alright, so there's Elly May and Jethro getting their dinner, their warm water. They've got tons and tons of hay outside and under cover, so I will not check on them again today. I'm gonna go up now and try to clear a little path for the pigs and get them some warm water. So, say night-night, Jethro and Elly May. Be good.